Hi everyone, welcome to the second section of this video. We'll be looking at types of package manager, alright? In the first section, we looked at software installation in Linux. We looked at what a we looked at what a package manager is, right? And what a package is, we're able to differentiate between both. We looked at what the repository and dependencies are, alright? So there are different types of package manager in Linux, and every Linux distribution have their own package managers. So for Red Hat Enterprise Linux and Saint OS, their package manager is the Yum, and we also have the DNF for RHEL 8 now. All right, and for Debian systems and Ubuntu's and their likes, the package manager is APT, and for Arch Linux, the package manager is PAC man, right? And for OpenSUSE, the package manager is Zappa or Yast. All right. So let's talk about the DNF package manager. We're talking about the Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. So the new package manager for Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 is the DNF package manager. All right. The DNF package manager is known as Yum version 4. It's a newer version of the Yum package manager, which is Yum version 3, right? And installing with Yum on RHEL 8 and CentOS 8 as a way of ensuring that installation is done using the DNF package manager. And DNF has better dependency resolution compared to Yum, and it can also integrate with the Yum package manager as for RHEL 8. All right. So what is RPM? RPM is also a package manager in Linux, right? So before the Yum and the DNF package manager, the RPM package manager was the former package manager that was used, but it doesn't do automation, right? And like in downloading and pulling of dependencies as Yum. So RPM, which also stands for Red Hat Package Manager, will only install softwares with the RPM format. All right. So to learn more about the Debian systems and Ubuntu's and the likes, you can come to this website to learn that. I'm going to be dropping the link to this website in the description section below, right? So we are concerned about Red Hat because this is the RHCSA 8 course, so we're concerned about the RPM package manager, the Yum package manager, and the DNF package manager, most especially the DNF package manager, which is the recent package manager in Red Hat 8 systems. In the next lesson, we'll look at the examples, we'll look at how to use the DNF and the Yum package manager. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and bye for now.